Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a quick evening snack recipe called Poha Aloo Pakoda. So to make the Poha Aloo Pakoda, the first thing would be to wash the poha. So I've taken the thick beaten rice flakes which are called jada poha. So now they're nice and dry, as you can see. Now we transfer this into a deep bowl and add all our other ingredients. I'm going to add little boiled and mashed potato to give that binding. Some finely chopped coriander. To this we'll add some finely chopped green chilies. Some chili powder to give it a nice color and spice. Sugar. Lemon juice. Jeera. You can even roast it and coarsely crush it if you want. And salt. And now all you have to do is mix it well. Make sure you mix it well with your hands. So as you can see, it has been mixed well. Let's start rolling them into balls. So now we'll take one portion, bind it well and just make balls like this. But make sure you binded it well as I showed you. So the same way we'll make 14 more balls. So they have been shaped well, as you can see. Let's quickly deep fry them. So our oil is nice and hot. Let's deep fry a few at a time. You can deep fry a few at a time, but as my pan is big, I'm deep frying all at a time. As you saw, they're so easy and quick to make. You don't have to roll them in the maida or the breadcrumbs. All you have to do is mix the mixture and just deep fry them. And occasionally turn them over. See, they've turned light brown in color, but we'll wait till they're nice and golden brown in color. Because it has poha, they're going to be nice and crispy. Let's check. Yes, they've turned nice and golden brown in color. Let's drain them on an absorbent paper. So they're ready. Let's quickly serve them. So serve these delicious Poha Aloo Pakoda with some green chutney and tomato ketchup, and I'm sure your family and loved ones will relish it. So do make this recipe in your kitchens and let us know how you all enjoyed it. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.